Kailangan mo ba ng cash right now? I have good news for you. Kahit pa hindi ka na-decline sa mga olas, pero may SPay later ka naman, pwede mo nang i-convert to cash yung SPay later mo without having to go through or without using any third-party trader. So if this is something you're interested in, then please keep on watching.
Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Kung bago ka sa channel ko, my name is Charm and I upload videos about personal finance, work from home stuff, and also snippets into my daily life. And just a quick disclosure lamang po, I am not a professional financial advisor and the content that I share in this video ay base lamang sa aking personal experiences, opinion, and for educational purposes only.
Alright, so just a very quick overview tungkol kay SPay Later. Basically, it's designed para pang shopping natin using the Shopee app. It is Shopee's Buy Now Pay Later feature that allows eligible users like you and me na umorder today and then bayaran na lang in installments. You can choose to pay it in 3 months, pwedeng 6 months, 9 months, kahit 12 months pa. And before, there's really no way of like converting your SPay Later limit into cash na pwede mo siyang kunin as a cash loan without going through mga third-party traders or yung mga encashment services na nakikita natin. Yung iba nasa Lazada, yung iba nasa Facebook. So, there's really no way or direct way talaga na i-convert siya to cash until nakita ko itong feature na to. So, anong meron? Actually, while I was checking and browsing my Shopee app, meron ako nakita doon na option to like convert my SPay Later limit into cash through Shopee's cash advance option. Now, I thought bago lang to. But when I check, apparently it has been launched a while back. It's just that hindi po siya available for everyone. Yun lang. So if you're wondering kung magkano nga ba ang pwede mong i-cash out or i-cash advance, it's actually 70% of your SPay Later limit. 70% lang. Right now, nasa 50k yung credit limit ko or SPay Later limit ko. So 70% of that is 35k. So yun lang ang pwede kong i-cash advance or kunin in cash. Let's take a look at the rates and fees. Just so you know, in terms of interest dito kay SPay Later, usually nasa 1% to 5% lang yung interest na pinapatong nila. Depende pa yun sa risk profile mo. It varies per individual user. And then you have the option to pay in 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, or 12 months. And minsan, with SPay Later, meron pa sila mga pa-promos na 0% interest if you pay in 3 months installment or 6 months installment. Now, tignan naman natin itong cash advance option. So, paano nga ba siya i-access? So, open ka lang ng Shopee app, punta ka dito sa SPay Later, and then makikita mo yung available credit mo. There's like a small, naka-highlight siya dyan, cash out na option. So, click mo lang yan, and then it's gonna take you to the cash advance, parang interface nila. Say for example, ito, input withdraw amount, lagay lang natin dito 10,000 pesos. So, if I'm going to take out 10,000 pesos, I only have 3 installment plan options. Pwede ko siyang bayaran in 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months. And then ito yung recommended 12 months. Ito yung magiging monthly ko sa kanya, 1,234.43. And as you can see, meron siya dito, amount to receive. Out of the 10,000 na ika-cash advance ko, I will only get 9,000 pesos. So that means meron siyang one-time processing fee na 1,000 pesos which is 10% ng loan amount mo. And oh my gosh, umaangal na nga ako dun sa G-loan na 3% na one-time processing fee. Yung 10% pa kaya. So when I saw that, parang, pero no. Yung 10% na one-time processing fee is already a big turn off for me. And yung monthly effective interest rate niya ay nasa 6.54%. I mean, if I have other options, kung meron kang options na pwede mong pagkunan ng pera, after seeing this, personally, hindi ko to gagamitin. Malabo ko siyang gagamitin. Not unless, like if you're really strapped for money and wala kang ibang pagkukunan, yes, pwede na rin kasi legit naman talaga to. It's a legit platform. Iwas scam, kumbaga, pwede na rin. Pero again, if merong other options besides this, no ako dito. I'll pass. It's a hard pass. Now, if we are to compare this with the official cash loan feature ni Shopee, which is called S-Loan, tingnan natin yung difference ha. Now, if we are going to take the 10,000 pesos from the S-Loan feature ni Shopee, I also have here 12 months, 9 months, 6 months. Meron din itong 3 months na feature or option. Now, if we go with the recommended 12 months, ito, may pa-promo pa siya. It's a promo rate, exclusive lower interest rate of 3.15%. So, yun pa lang, lamang na siya. And then, meron dito, parang summary niya. This is going to be the amount na marireceive ko if I will go ahead and take out this 10,000 loan. Amount received is 10,000 pesos. Buo mo siyang makukuha or buo ko siyang makukuha. Kasi nakalagay dito, 0 admin fee. So, between the two, I think it's pretty obvious kung alin yung pipiliin ko. And yung monthly repayment niya ay nasa 1,148.32. Since I have the S-Loan feature, syempre, pipiliin ko si S-Loan. But then again, itong cash advance option ni ShopeePay is already a very good option na rin if, for example, wala ka talagang ibang mapagkukunan. I'd say it's okay because like what I mentioned kanina, it's a legit platform. So you don't have to worry na baka ma-scam ka or anything like that. And the danger with going through third-party traders or mga third-party encashment services, there's a possibility na pwede kang ma-scam. I think I've read it somewhere or maybe I've seen a video. I'm not sure. I can't remember. Pero I don't know the process exactly kasi I've never tried it. But you're supposed to like send this amount to the trader and then they would say na parang hindi nila na-receive or something. Or maybe sasabihin nila na na-send na nila sa inyo to your GCash account pero hindi mo naman natanggap talaga. So yeah. It eliminates the possibility of getting scammed. Okay pa rin siya kahit papano. So, nagamit nyo na ba? Na-try nyo na ba? Kumusta yung experience nyo dito sa bagong Shopee Cash Advance feature? Do let me know in the comments. I'd love to know your experience para rin makatulong sa iba. And if you're still here and you like this video, please don't forget to give me a like, subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and pakishare na rin ito to help someone who might actually need it. Thank you so much for your time and I will see you in the next one. Bye!